We're in room 903 at the Marriott Philadelphia West. You have an automatic deadbolt, a latch lock, and a peephole. You also have Pennsylvania innkeeper laws, and a director to the hotel, and a layout of the hotel. Starting over here, you have a sink with a vanity area. Hi. Checking out today. Yep, luggage rack. You have a luggage rack there, ironing board, wood hangers, and with some laundry tags. And up there you have some extra linens. All linen tags up there as well. Now you have your restroom. Kohler 1 gallon per flush toilet. Stand-in shower with a Kohler shower head and your stuff in there. Now we come in over here. You have this is a king bed, very comfortable. Center hotel telephone, Timex alarm clock, some storage space, LED lamp. And here you have more storage and a little seat there. You have a lamp on your desk here with a TV remote and an LG flat screen TV. You have a Magic Chef mini fridge, your coffee supplies here. This is a sofa sleeper couch. I slept in that, very, very comfortable. Another lamp here. Your ice bucket. Over here will be glasses, which is pretty comfortable. There's a view out this window. That's the Schuylkill River. And over here is heading towards the rest of Conshohocken. I don't know how to say it for the life of me. And your Honeywell digital thermostat. Overall, this was a pretty pleasant room. Let me know what you guys think.